I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Pat Kinsel. He is founder and CEO at Notarize. Pat, wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Judy. Excited to be here.
Great to have you, but before we get started, quick note to viewers, this interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Pat, tell me about Notarize and how'd you come up with the idea to start the company?
Yeah, so Notarize is an online notary service, and so we are by video available 24/7, 365 in less than a second.
Wow.
So if you think about your own life when you need that document notarized, you pull out your phone and we're there for you. But really for businesses, we allow them to digitize the way they interact with their customers. So mortgages, auto sales, on and on.
Yeah.
And I started the company because I had my own horrible notary experience. I think everyone out there has had a bad notary experience. So I had a business before that I sold to Twitter. And when Twitter went public, I needed a power of attorney for a registered investment advisor to basically claim my shares. And that got goofed up. And then I broke my leg and I had nothing to do for 4 months of my life, and I went deep, deep down the notary rabbit holes.
Okay, and that's how you got the idea to start the company.
Yeah.
Okay, well now tell me, so who do you work with and what's the problem you're solving for?
Yeah, we solve a last mile problem. So there's so much energy in the world to digitize business transactions, customer experiences. But in a lot of businesses, like a mortgage application or closing or a power of attorney or account onboarding, it gets stuck to paper. And so what we really do for our customers is we digitize that process, enabling them to digitize the rest of their business. So we eliminate about 17 days from collecting a power of attorney. We save customers as much as $100. So it's real transformational business impact. And we work with the leaders in almost any category. So home builders, Lennar, title companies, First American, companies like Zillow. So real market leaders that are trying to invent the future in their category with their customers.
All right, now what sets you apart in helping industries digitize?
Yeah, I like to say we're a product and policy-led company. And so notarizations are specific things that have to happen by state, by industry, if it's a form going to the SEC or the IRS. And so we've been on the front lines. We've helped to pass 42 state laws at this point. So we work with industries to help them understand those rules and regulations. And then we really now help customers do sort of process redesign. How could their business really look in the future if you reimagined it on top of this instant, always accurate service? And so we really get in with our customers and help take them into the future.
All right, and what are you most focused on moving forward?
Yeah, so that process, so getting deeper with all of our customers to understand the impact of our product. Really helping customers save time. And I think in this economic environment, people are looking for software and products that really deliver that value. So, that. And then serving more industries. So we've had a lot of success lately in the auto industry, for example. And so within financial services, we're really walking across our customers, understanding that regulatory landscape and helping them digitize more of their business.
All right, and then what would you say are the biggest challenges or opportunities as industries continue to digitize?
Yeah, everyone wants to meet their customer where there is. And I think post-COVID, we've proven that that's possible. Like business can still function despite being remote. And so we're trying to enable that for our customers as easily as possible. And I think we're getting into like a second order of this entire process where it's no longer just about customer experience, but real business impact. And so we're trying to rise to the challenge and be the company that delivers that for our customers.
All right. Well, Pat, wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thanks for having me.